Facebook gives you full control over the stories you see every day. If someone's stories are showing up too often or you're simply not interested in their updates at the moment, you can mute their stories without unfriending or unfollowing them. The best part is that Facebook doesn't notify the person when you mute or unmute them. If you ever change your mind, you can easily restore their stories in just a few taps. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Mute someone on Facebook story. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. Once you're on the home screen, look at the stories section displayed across the top of your feed. Browse through the story circles until you find the friend or Facebook page whose stories you want to hide. Instead of opening their story, tap and hold their profile picture for a second. A small menu will appear with several options. Select Mute Named Story. Facebook will then ask you to confirm your decision. Tap Mute once more to finish the process. From this point on, their new stories will no longer appear in your stories bar. Keep in mind that muting stories only hides their story updates. It doesn't remove them from your friends list, unfollow their posts, or send them any notification. It's simply a private setting that helps you customize your Facebook experience. Step 2. Unmute someone on Facebook story. If you decide you want to see their stories again, Facebook makes it just as easy to reverse the change. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. On Android, you'll find it in the top right corner, while on iPhone, it's located in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Audience and Visibility section and tap Stories. On the next page, select stories you've muted to view everyone whose stories you've hidden. Find the person or page you want to restore, then tap Unmute next to their name. As soon as you do, their future stories will start appearing in your stories feed again whenever they post new content. That's it. You now know how to mute and unmute someone on Facebook stories, helping you personalize your feed anytime with just a few taps.